Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Tanner's staging. Sexual maturity rating has sexual maturity stage 1 to sexual maturity stage 2. Sexual maturity stage 1 is just before puberty. Sexual maturity stage 2, here the sexual characters are seen in the adults. Growth spurt in females. Growth spurt in females is sexual maturity rating stage 2 to 3, whereas growth spurt in males is seen at sexual maturity rating stage 3 to 4. Nelson's criteria states that sexual maturity stage 4 to 5. For single answers in females, sexual maturity stage 3, and for males, sexual maturity stage 4 is important in Tanner's staging.
thank you and thank you for watching.